Stop using 10 different image and video generation tools and instead use TopView AI, because this one tool combines all the best AI models in the world in one multi-user dashboard. And today I'm going to show you how I used it to build a fully AI generated commercial in minutes. So what is TopView? Well, it's a platform that lets you generate audio, images, and video all in one place with the focus on collaboration. It aggregates all the top APIs like Cdance, Kling, and Sora, so you can use them all from one interface. You can try TopView for free, or you can upgrade to the Pro, Business, or Enterprise plans for more usage and better models. First, head on over to topview.ai and click sign in. I prefer to sign in with my Google account. Once logged in, we can see the different features available to us. On the left-hand side, we have agent mode, where AI guides you through the creation process. The board, which is our live collaboration workspace we're going to work with our team in. Image generation, video generation, avatar generation, and audio generation. If we go over to all tools here, we can see all of the different features available to us. And if we need some inspiration, we can scroll down to the different categories of AI videos and mouse over them to get an idea of what we might want to create for our product or advertisement. For any of these presets, you can just click on it and it'll give you the exact prompt. And you just drag your own images in here and it'll create a similar video. And let's start with the board feature here, because this is going to be where the majority of your productivity gains are, especially if you're working with a team. Let's go ahead and create a new board. And we have kind of two sections here. The left side is where we're describing the image or video we want to generate. And here is where our tasks and the completed generations are going to be. So let's make an ad for our product, which is going to be a pair of sunglasses with windshield wipers on them. So we want to make sure we're in text to image. We're going to create an image from scratch. So we can choose the model that we want here. We have all these choices. I'm going to go ahead with Nano Banana 2. By the time you're watching this, the newest image model from Google might be different. So I'm going to paste this prompt in here, which describes the sunglasses with two tiny wipers. I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9, resolution 2K, that's good for me, and number of images, we want to iterate a bunch and get a good reference image for this, so let's do 4. And we can preview how many credits we're going to consume by doing this, and let's go ahead and generate. All these generations have popped up. In the meantime, we can rename our board, something like that, and you can also click share here. And this controls what other people can see and do in your board when you give them this link. So who can access? Only people who we invite or anyone with the link. If we're sharing this with our team, we'd want to do something like only invited people and say that new members will join as editors. You can also choose where the credits will come from, either from the person who you're sending the invite to or from your account. Since my account has the TopView Pro subscription, I'll hit me. So we can take this link and send it to our team, and they can get the same exact view on this board and add images to it just as we can. They can also come in here and take a look at the different generations. So now that our initial glasses image is done, we can click each, and if we really like it, we can give it 3 stars. If we, for example, don't like it that much, we can give it 1 star, and you can see your team's feedback here in the interface. So I like this one the best. I'm going to give it 3 stars to indicate to my team. Let's proceed using this one. Next, using the same image model, we're going to generate an image of our avatar for this ad. So again, I'm going to keep all the settings the same. I'll generate 4 so I can pick my favorite, and I'll let that run. Alright, so we have our images of our model here. I'll select this one because it's nice and close up. Favorite that one. Now I'll show you another really powerful feature, which is if you go to image edit here, we can simply drag the images that we like. And now let's combine our images using image edit. So we just simply drag them here to the upload image part, and we'll put a prompt here that basically just will combine them into one image. Another powerful feature is image edit. So we can simply drag the images we already created and liked into this upload image section, put a prompt, make sure the aspect ratio is what we want, make 2 images there. This way we can combine our This way we can combine our images flawlessly, and we can even leave comments for our team to see later. Now that we have our reference images, let's make the video clips for our ad. So to do that, go to video, hit image to video, and in the same workspace using all the same assets, we can simply drag these guys in as the first frame. We can also choose our model. So here's where we have the selection of the newest models from all the different providers here. So we have Cdance, Kling, Sora, Google, Veo, even TopView's own video generation models. I'm gonna choose Kling V3. We'll give it a prompt, make sure the rest of the settings are okay. We'll do 2 generations. While these are in the queue, we can add our next scene here. So the first frame is going to be our glasses by themselves with a different prompt. We'll do 2 of these as well. And then I use the same method to generate a ton of other assets. And while we have a ton of other features available to us, like in painting, face swap, for videos we can do character swap, upscaling, motion control. We can get really granular there. As far as the avatars go, you can design and save an avatar for future use. But we're interested in this voiceover, so we're going to generate an AI voiceover for our ad. So I have this text here, and we can choose different voices. You can test them out by clicking the play button for each. And if they have the little crown by them, it means they're on the higher tier, the paid tier. And so I'm going to choose US William here, and his emotion I'm going to choose to be happy, and we can confirm that. And here's the script for our ad, and we can just hit generate. So without further ado, here is the video that we created using TopView alone. So that was a really impressive result. The main use cases for this tool are going to be for social media content, e-commerce, and for marketing teams and agencies who take AI content creation seriously. My favorite part about the tool is that you can use any of the models that you want in one UI. You don't have to context switch as much. And the collaboration features, which I haven't seen in any other AI generation tools thus far. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out topview.ai. And that's it for today's video. We will see you guys later. Peace.